Hello YouTube. It's me. I'm in the kitchen, not the garden. In the kitchen. Right. Oh, it smells absolutely lovely. Might have to wash that lemon again. We'll move on to the next lemon. But we have got backup lemons, so maybe I'll leave that lemon on the floor. Maybe for a bit of entertainment later on, see if I don't fall over it. Wait a second, alright, I'm being past the lemon. You want to start off nice and slow, otherwise you end up covered in this stuff. That's quite fast. Right, basically this recipe contains 4 shakes of sugar. Don't see this, I'm Jamie Oliver. Don't forget to like and subscribe!